What up, YouTube? It's Kaylee with Underrated Garage, and today we have Austin and his 2012 Acura TSX. So tell him what we're doing today, Austin.
We're putting on Maxpeedingrods, control arms in the back, and coilovers.
You're trying to make it a low boy, right?
Oh yeah,
Real low, scraping. So here is what we're replacing. He actually already took out all the old arms. These look great.
Unboxing or unbagging again.
Oh, look at that. Hey, it looks just like mine.
Oh yeah.
It's the same color and everything.
What's it called? T6?
It's got the damper control. Looks like you can get pretty low in the back. Got a lot of adjustment here.
It's the car. Looks like you can go pretty low on both though.
Oh, of course. So we started deconstructing the back. I already got this 17 out that was here. And then there's just two bolts on top to hold the rear ones on. You have to take this little panel off, and they're in there. It's really hard to show you, but they're down here. It's two 12s. It's a little pain in the butt. Austin wanted me to correct myself because I lied earlier. They're not 12s, they are 15s. So we got it out, and here they are next to each other. Wow. Oh my god, the coilovers, they always just look so pretty compared to the stock shit. You excited to put it in?
Pretty excited.
Look at all these new arms and this coilover. Looks so good. We're gonna do the other side and then drop it down, see what it looks like.
What's up, guys? It's Ben. I'm halfway through this video, coming in late. As you can see, they've already gotten the rears done. We're gonna get to work, hopefully get this thing on the ground all together with the new parts tonight. We're working on the final corner, front driver's side coilover now, bolting everything up. The coilovers are on. Now they're all at the settings that they came on, which could be anything. Just got to get a baseline, see where we're at with it. Ecotech ramps.
A little bit. I think it's a little bit different.
Definitely lower than before, but definitely drivable. It's not a bad starting point.
All right, we're in the TSX, first road test. So far, I don't hear any clunks or any funky noises. That's a good start.
Nothing's falling off.
Nothing's falling off
Yeah.
yet. So far, our work is a success. Yeah, no,
Because
I mean,
it's
it
not
feels
that
pretty
low
good.
yet, there's not too much drivability differences.
Yeah, no, it's actually a smooth ride for coilovers.
Yeah.
So far, we're hitting some bumps. It's definitely not low enough for what this guy wants. He wants to go slam.
Oh yeah, she settled down a good bit. It's already looking pretty good. Oh, we're getting somewhere now. That's looking good. I mean, I know you're gonna want a little more, but that's way lower than before. Pretty good, pretty
Yeah,
good.
but here's the thing.
What's that?
That skid plate needs to be the next purchase.
Yeah. It's gonna be sitting purdy.
Oh. No.
What?
Oh, I can't go too much lower.
Bro, that's hype. We'll catch you guys tomorrow with some adjustments, but the CU2 looking good.
After 10 months.
Yeah, you've owned it for a
Stock
bit
hype.
now. Finally not a monster truck anymore, but I'll tell you, it makes these wheels pop way more.
So it's like a crazy time warp because the last clip was probably 2 weeks ago now. But this kid finally slammed it. We made those adjustments after, and he got it sitting right. You're happy with how it is now, right?
Yeah, it's better now. Front is completely maxed out.
Maxed. But that's probably good because like it looks good. But if you were any lower than that, you'd be rubbing like a mother.
I'm
So.
scraping every day, going to work, and it would be bad. The rear isn't maxed, but it's a little bit way down. There's a lot of shit back there.
So this is how she's sitting. So definitely shout out to Maxpeedingrods, some affordable coilovers that can get you sitting right.
Control arms.
Yep, they got control arms too. Definitely big ups. Well worth the upgrade, and it don't ride bad, right?
Doesn't ride bad.
The drive's pretty nice.
It drives like it's stock, basically.
Yeah.
It's stock.
It's pretty good. Hey, look at this. We've got the rest of our group now. So we're headed out to Cars and Coffee, flex the VIP TSX.